Namaste everyone, welcome to Shloka Chant with Ishu. Today I have selected one of the famous Ashtakam, famous Stotram, that is Krishna Ashtakam. Most of you will be knowing this Krishna Ashtakam, but still we'll start with this Krishna Ashtakam. Before starting this Krishna Ashtakam, I would like to take you through the pronunciation guide, because the lyrics that I use in my teaching will be completely different that you will find in internet. So I want to give you the glimpse of the pronunciation that we'll be using here. So you can find the picture of the pronunciation guide here. You can just read it out, or you can just listen from my end. You will find the bold letters in my lyrics. If yes, then make sure that you will stress those letters. You will find a few letters where it has a line on the top of the letter. Those are the letters you have to extend it. You have a letter N and L, which is in a capital, which is a N and a L. So N, tongue tip will touch upper palate. N, Narayana, and L, Kala, Kala Bhairava. So, and then there is one more letter, capital letter, which is in a SH. So there are two pronunciation of a sh, Shiva, and shat, Shanmukha. So these are the pronunciation. I hope this will help you. Please go through the pronunciation guide. If you find any confusions or anything, please do let me know in the comment section. Let's start with the Krishna Ashtakam. First stanza here. You can find the lyrics here. Vasudeva, Sutam Devam, Kamsa, Chanura. You can find here N is in a capital. Your tongue tip has to touch upper palate. Mardanam, Devaki, Paramanandam, Krishnam, Vande, Jagadgurum. So here the Krishnam, Vande, Jagadgurum is a repetitive line in every stanza. So I'll repeat the first stanza once again. We'll take it with the tune at the end. So let's start. Vasudeva, Sutam Devam, Kamsa, Chanura, Mardanam, Devaki, Paramanandam, Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. This stanza is the most common, most famous and a popular one. I hope most of you will be knowing this one. We'll go with the second one. Atasi, Pushpa, Sankasham. Atasi, Pushpa, Sankasham, Hara, Nupura, Shobhitam, Hara, Nupura, Shobhitam. B needs to be stressed. BH is in a bold. Ratna, Kankana. Kankana, N is in a capital. Tongue tip has to touch upper palate. Keyuram. Ratna Kankana Keyuram. Fourth stanza remains same. Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. I'll repeat the second stanza. Atasi, Pushpa, Sankasham, Hara, Nupura, Shobhitam, Ratna, Kankana, Keyuram, Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Here we complete the second stanza. We'll go to the third stanza. Kutilalaka, Samyuktam, Purnachandra, Purna, N capital, Nibhananam, Bha needs to be stressed, Vilasat, Kundaladharam, Dha needs to be stressed. Fourth line remains same. I'll repeat once again. It's very simple. This shloka is Kutilalaka, Samyuktam, Purnachandra, Nibhananam, Vilasat, Kundaladharam, Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Here we complete the third stanza. We'll go to the fourth one. Mandara, Gandha, Dha needs to be stressed. Samyuktam, Mandara, Gandha, Samyuktam, Charuhasam, Chaturbhujam, Bhu needs to be stressed. Charuhasam, Chaturbhujam, Barhi, Barhi, Pinchava, Cha needs to be stressed because CH is in a bold. Chudangam, Barhi, Pinchava, Chudangam. Fourth line remains same. We'll repeat once again the fourth stanza. Mandara, Gandha, Samyuktam, Charuhasam, Chaturbhujam, Barhi, Pinchava, Chudangam, Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Here we complete the fourth stanza. We'll go to the fifth one. Utphulla, utphulla, utphulla. Some ways you have a regional language influence, so instead of a f, you might say p, so which is fine. Utphulla, Padma, Patraksham, Padma Patraksham, Neela, Jeemoota, Sannibham, bha needs to be stressed. Yadavanam, Shiroratnam, Yadavanam, Shiroratnam. Fourth line remains same. We'll repeat once again. Utphulla, Padma Patraksham, Neela, Jeemoota, Sannibham, Yadavanam, Shiroratnam, Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Here we complete the fifth stanza. We'll go to the sixth one. Rukmini, Rukmini, N is in a capital, tongue tip passage upper palate. Keli, Keli, Samyuktam, Samyuktam, Pitambara, Sushobhitam, Sushobhitam, be stress, Avapta, Tulasi Gandham, Avapta, Tulasi Gandham, dha stress. Fourth line remains same. We'll repeat once again sixth stanza. Rukmini, Keli, Samyuktam, Pitambara, Sushobhitam, Avapta, Tulasi Gandham, Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Here we complete the sixth stanza. We'll go to the seventh one. Gopikanam, Kuchadvanda, Gopikanam, Kuchadvanda, Kunkumankita, Kunkumankita, Vakshasam, Vakshasam, Sriniketam, Maheshwasam, Sriniketam, Maheshwasam. Sh, yes, is in a capital. It's not a Maheshwara, Maheshwasam. Fourth line remains same. We'll repeat the seventh stanza. Gopikanam, Kuchadvanda, Kunkumankita, Vakshasam, Sriniketam, Maheshwasam, Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Here we complete the seventh stanza. We'll go to the eighth one. Srivatsankam, Srivatsankam, Mahoraskam, Mahoraskam, Vanamala, Virajitam, Shankachakra, Shankachakra, kha needs to be stressed, Dharam Devam, dha stress, Shankachakra Dharam Devam. Fourth line remains same. We'll repeat once again the eighth stanza. Srivatsankam, Mahoraskam, Vanamala, Virajitam, Shankachakra Dharam Devam, Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Here we complete the eighth stanza. We'll go to the ninth and the last stanza of Krishnashtakam. Krishnashtaka midam punyam, Krishnashtaka midam punyam, Prataruthaya, Prataruthaya, tha needs to be stressed, Prataruthaya, Yah Pathet, tha needs to be stressed. Patan is to recite or a chant. Pathet, Koti Janma, Kritam Papam, Smaranena, Smaran is remember, N capital, Smaranena, Vinashyati, Krishnashtakamidam, Punyam, Prataruttaya, Yah Pathet, Koti Janma, Kritam Papam, Smaranena, Vinashyati. At the end you can say Iti Shri Krishnashtakam Sampurnam or Iti Shri Krishnashtakam. So now let's recite from the beginning. I'll take it little slowly. If you want a faster or much slow, you can go to the settings and adjust the playback speed. We'll start. Om Vasudevasutam Devam Kamsachanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum अतसी पुष्पसङ्काशं हारनूपुरशोभितं रत्नकङ्कणकेयूरं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कुटिलालकसंयुक्तं पूर्णचन्द्रनिभाननं विलसत्कुण्डलधरं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं मन्दारगन्धसंयुक्तं चारुहासं चतुर्भुजं बह्विपिञ्छावचूडाङ्गं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् उत्फुल्लपद्मपत्राक्षं नीलजीमूतसन्निभं यादवानां शिरोरत्नं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं रुक्मिणीकेळिसंयुक्तं पीताम्बरसुशोभितम् अवाप्ततुलसीगन्धं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं गोपिकानां कुचद्वन्द्वकुङ्कुमाङ्कितवक्षसं श्रीनिकेतं महेश्वासं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं श्रीवत्साङ्कं महोरस्कं वनमाला विराजितं शङ्खचक्रधरं देवं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णाष्टकमिदं पुण्यं प्रातरुत्थाय यः पठेत् कोटिजन्मकृतं पापं स्मरणेन विनश्यति इति श्रीकृष्णाष्टकं सम्पूर्णम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. So here we complete the Krishnashtakam. If you have any doubts, any question, please do let me know in the comment section. If you find any corrections or any mistakes, please do let me know. It will be really helpful for me, and my sincere apologies in case of those unintentional mistakes. Thank you so much. See you in the one more stotram, and make sure that you visit the stotram playlist to learn different deity stotrams. Namaskara. Thank you.